All right, Tuesday morning. No news today. Um, so let's get into the bias is for today. I haven't looked at the market at all. Um, so right now we are in this 15-minute imbalance, and we are respecting it so far. We just came off a big liquidity sweep. We swept out all these lows. We almost hit the daily weekly target that I had made. All right, so I marked out some areas, liquidity. This range up here. So I'm thinking if we disrespect this bearish fair value gap, creating an inverse fair value gap, then I would expect these highs to get taken. And if we do the opposite and we respect this, I would expect these lows to be taken first and possibly hit the daily/weekly target. So it really just depends what we take out first. If we take out buy side, I'll look to target sell side. If we take out the sell side, I'll look to target buy side. And never looked at ES. ES, it's the same sort of thing, except we aren't in a fair value gap. We already disrespected it. And let's see if we have a SMT. I think we have a 15-minute. Nope, we don't have an SMT. So what I think is gonna happen is we're gonna take out sell side first, and then we're gonna look to target buy side right after. But the opposite may go as well. So we'll just wait till market opens. We have multiple equal highs up here. We have these equal highs on the there we have those equal highs, and we have these equal highs. So that's a pretty strong draw on liquidity. We also have some equal lows in there, and just a couple other areas down here. So yeah, I'll just wait to see what liquidity gets taken out first, and then we will make the execution from there. So I'm just gonna fast forward to when I take the trades from now on, and then do the trade recap at the end of the day. All right, I'm gonna be taking a trade on ES. A minute. We just got a 5-minute retrace on our inverse fair value gap after sweeping buy side liquidity in the market. So this is where I'm going to enter right now. I'm going to go 2 contracts. Sell. We're going to go stop loss is going to be just above that wick. And first take profit. Take profit 1 is going to be at this. Second TP will be at this. All right. That's what we're in right here. Pretty decent risk to reward. If we break certain lows, once we hit first TP, I'm going to move my stop to equilibrium of what I have it. And then if we go a little bit lower, I'll probably move my stop to break even. So I'm going to come back today for this trade recap, and I'll make a video on what happened if we lost or if we had a good trade. All right, so my trade got stopped out, as you can see. Went right through my stop loss and took buy side liquidity, made all-time highs up here. Not all-time highs, took this high of this range, and then stayed around that for a bit. And I immediately realized what I did wrong, and I'm not sure why I made this mistake. So right on the 15-minute we had a big inverse fair value gap. We disrespected this bearish fair value gap, giving us bullish confirmation. So I'm not sure why I was thinking to come short down here for it would have been a retrace, but we already had a retrace. You see this wick right here. So we were in the clear to going or to taking these highs, and I guess I just forgot about this. I didn't see this. I just kind of ignored it. Well, I didn't ignore it. I just totally forgot about this inverse fair value gap. And so part of me was thinking, oh, well, we want to come take down this liquidity, come take out this liquidity. But we already swept this liquidity when we had these lows here. So it was kind of like we already took out liquidity. We had the inverse fair value gap. We had this little retrace right into the consequent encroachment right here. And so there was really no good clear move to go short. And that means what this was right here, when I had this inverse fair value gap, this was really just a retrace on this imbalanced range right here. It was a retrace on that, and then off that we took these highs, which makes a lot of sense. Since price is fractal, any inverse fair value gap works on any time frame. So that's kind of what we were thrown into. And then yes, we did inverse this fair value gap, but it was as a part of a retrace. We would have needed to inverse the rest of this as well, but we only came down to right here for the retrace. And then yeah, we just went a little bit higher. Totally fine. I know exactly what I did wrong. I'm not upset. And I'll just take that into account for tomorrow.